Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bovineverse. Now the Bovineverse is about to get their own central exchange listing coming up soon. Ticker symbol is BVG. This was just announced 8 hours ago that they're going to get their initial listing on a certain central exchange. We're going to go over that in just 1 second and the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So 8 hours ago on Mexc Global's Twitter, they announced, it says, thrilled to announce that BVG will have its initial listing on Mexc Global. It says Bovineverse is a Genesis FI plus Metaverse platform under Web 3.0 that plans to release multiple on-chain games and sports prediction systems and reserves API interfaces for the third party. Stay tuned. And so they are partners with Mexc Global. That's where their very first listing is going to be. So if you want to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc referral code when this token gets listed. Then go into the trade section on Mexc. Fund your account first with USDT and then search BVG, which is the ticker symbol for this token, on Mexc Global's trading section, and then just buy the token. Now, they might have two tokens within their ecosystem because I was looking at their Twitter, and they also have the ticker symbol BVT on here as well. So if you go over to their Twitter, there is two different addresses as well. There's a Polygon token and there's a BSC token address. So two different tokens cross-chain. And they just joined in November 2021 on Twitter. They already have 117,100 Twitter followers. So very well established project here. Well over 100,000 Twitter followers. That's amazing. 762 tweets. Very active on Twitter. On their Twitter, which is at Bovineverse, you can find a link tree on there. And then on their link tree, they have their official website, Twitter, Interstellar Rangeland, Discord, Telegram, Medium, Gitbook, and YouTube channel. So if you click on their webpage, that'll take you over to Bovine-verse.games. And over there, looks like you can connect your wallet because there's all sorts of things you can do on their webpage. You can also change the language from English to other languages. There's a document section, social-fi section where you can look at my friends, my planet, crypto blogs, leaderboards. There's a DAO section. It looks like you can stake your tokens on here. There's mystery boxes for NFTs. The NFTs have an IGO. There's a marketplace on here, beta assets, the cattle mart, voucher center. For GameFi, they have different games on here: Interstellar Rangeland, Interstellar Sandbox, and Interstellar Trek. And then they have events on here as well. So they have different types of mining, NFT farming, beta invite party, airdrops, guild advancement program, Oats airdrops, and bridge. So some of the games you can play now, like Interstellar Rangeland, but then they have other games that'll be coming soon in the future. So according to their token metrics pie chart here, it says 80% of the tokens go to ecology, 2.5% go to advisors and PR, 0.2% liquidity, 0.5% IDO, 10% private sale, and 6.8% team. So their roadmap's on here as well. So before 2022, they contracted more than 30 gaming guilds on purchase of land, NFTs, and Bovine Hero. Then website 1.0 deployed NFT and BSC and Polygon. First play to earn game Interstellar Rangeland finished the alpha stage on Binance Smart Chain, so you can play that game if you want to. Then quarter one this year, they had token mining campaign, which reached a peak of 1.1 million US dollars. IGO with private Galaxy, Earth, and Metaverse campaign gained over 5,000 plus engagements. Integrated the GVG, which is Guild versus Guild, in the first game development. First play to earn game Interstellar Rangeland finished the alpha stage on Polygon. Then quarter two this year, we have NFT farming. Over 5,000 users participated. First year anniversary campaign gained over 10,000 plus engagements. Then community grew to over 20,000 followers. Partnered with more well-known Web3 projects, including CyberConnect, D-Games, Snap Figure Deo. Private sale starts. Interstellar Rangeland begins the beta stage. Quarter three this year, they launched their own NFT marketplace. Then DAO community governance. Private sale closes. IDO for BVT second game. Interstellar Sandbox finishes its alpha stage. Then partnering with more gaming guilds, Interstellar Sandbox kicks off. Crypto assets, including NFT and tokens, can be leveraged in both games. Integrate the ecology system for BVT. Then quarter four this year, we got Interstellar blog platform goes online. Support the third VR game, Interstellar Trek Augmented Interactive Game Mode. And then offline events such as esports game challenge and online campaign will be launched to bring more fun and challenge to the players. And then launch the metaverse with Star Wars over parallel worlds. Now they're just having their new token, the BVG token, because the BVT token has been out for a while. Now they're having the BVG token get their first listing on Mexc Global. Looks like they're also partners with Coin98 wallet. They have all their partners on here. If you don't have a Coin98 wallet, I do have a referral code for Coin98 as well in the description box down there, so check that out. That's a really good decentralized wallet. Also, check out that Mexc referral code where this token is about to be listed. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And make sure you guys like this video and subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.